model, 55-plate Volkswagen Transporter 2.5 TDI Super Rare High-Top DSG Automatic needs heasgasket 128 km No Vat. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 128810. Engine, 2460 cc 2.5 TDI 130. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Automatic gearbox is perfect and smooth engine starts and sounds perfect. Just needs straightforward head gasket replacement. This is one very rare vehicle being an extra high top and will make the best camper conversion out there. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle.